love you. I miss you. Thank you. Welcome to the Raisa May Show. Paano yan? Welcome to the Raisa May Show. Dito naman. Welcome to the Yejili Show. Where's your head? Head daw. Where's your head? Ay, beautiful eyes. Where's your head? Where's your head? Show me your head. Head. Where's your nose? Nose. Show your teeth. Where's your tummy? Oh, tummy. Full. Oh, beautiful eyes. Para sabi ng fish. Fish. Ganun. Fish. Fish. Paano lumangoy yung fish? Fish. Spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Ayan, oo. Wala yung spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Sing. Itsy bitsy spider. Wala na? Oo, tawagin mo itsy bitsy spider. Itsy bitsy spider. Went up the water spout. Ayun o. Spider. Down came the rain and one. Sing na lang. Just give me a reason, sing. Just a little listener. Just give me a reason. Your mic. You want your mic? Later. Get your mic. Get your mic. Come on. Get your mic. She wants her mic. There. Come on. Okay. Sing. Just give me a reason. Just a little bit enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bend. And we can learn to love again. Sing. Welcome to the Raisa May Show. Welcome to the Yejili Show. Charap charap, charap charap, charap magchacha. Charap charap, charap charap, charap. Para daw sabi ni Raisa, Kiss mama, kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss bakit ka? Kiss mama. Ayaw? Kiss mama. Para sabi ng lion? Para sabi ng dog? Ay, yung sound ng dog. Ow! 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 Ang cat! Cat. Wala nga namang cat. Anong sabi ng cat? Sabi ng cat. Sabi ng bird. Bird. Pip, pip. Pip, pip. Ano pa? Ano pa ba yung alam mo? Nakalimutan ko na. I forgot. My name is Yejili. My name is Yejili. Say bye-bye na, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Anong nan? Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please watch the Yejili Show. Oh, sige, bye-bye na. Anong gusto mo? What do you want? Welcome to the Resume. Welcome to the Yejili Show. May sampang. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Ay, no, look at yourself. Oh, bye-bye. Welcome to the Yejili Show. She wants to get the mouse. Okay. Bye-bye.